Installing an intrusion switch. Insert the intrusion switch into the holder on the fan cage and push it in until it is fully seated. Fix the intrusion switch cable into the cable clip. Route the cable into the fan cage through the pre-cut slots on the foam and fan cage bottom. Insert the intrusion switch connector into the connector keyhole and move it as shown until it is fully seated. Note: ensure that the intrusion switch cable is routed through the cable clip and the pre-cut slots on the foam and fan cage bottom. Otherwise, the cable might slide under the fan cage. The contact surface between the fan cage and the system board assembly might become uneven, and the fan connection might become loose. Install the system fan cage. Install the system fans. Install the top cover.